Hey guys, it's Sean Lowry here, the logger from North Carolina, and today I want to give you a quick review on the new book, Legendary Marketer, written by David Sharp here, and he's been featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur Magazine, as you can see here on the top. And this here book just goes over how to build a digital marketing business and make unlimited income from anywhere in the world. Okay, you know what I'm saying? And me being, like I say, I got a full-time job. I'm on my job right now shooting this here video. And like I say, I'm a logger, you know what I'm saying? And before, I didn't really think, too much stuff was possible for me, like, you know what I'm saying, like getting out there, you know what I'm saying, maybe getting another job or doing some other things. I'm trying kind of other jobs too, but like I said, I've been in logging since I was in school. I was brought up in the woods, you know what I'm saying, as being a logger. But like I say, I got my hands on this right here book, you know what I'm saying, and it's taught me a whole lot of other things that I could do, that don't even interfere with my work, that don't interfere with my job, with my life at home and all that there stuff, teaches you how to really build an online business and have it working for you. Like me, I read this right here book, and I found a way how to have an online business running for me while I'm down here in the woods. While I'm down here in the woods right now talking to you on this here phone, I got a business in the background that's out there running for me that I just put some work in and put it out there, and it's out there. It's gonna be out there. Like I say, it goes over this here stuff in this here book and shows you, you know what I'm saying, a whole lot of things about online marketing, how to start, where to start. Even if you're a professional with this right here, it even throws in some really good tips how you can end up scaling your business. Or if you're somebody that's never even did it before, never made a dime online like I was, it shows you exactly step by step how to do it. And if you get lost along the way, they even got where you can call a phone coach to coach you through the process where you can start earning your first income online. Like I say, it's just a tremendous, it's a big thing for like regular people out here too. Like I say, like me, I don't know if you're watching this and you're some kind of big marketer or whatever, you know what I'm saying, you're used to making a lot of money. There's a lot of people out there that ain't never made a dime before. And like I said, I hadn't really never made a dime before online until I did get my hands on this right here book by David Sharp, you know what I'm saying? And then, like I say, plus following his system, following his program, enabled me to start making my first $1,000 online, folks. This is my first $1,000 online I made by following the steps in this right here book. And you can get your book here today for free. The book's free. All you just have to pay for the shipping and handling. And like I say, it ain't that much. Like I say, you can pay for the shipping and handling. There'll be a link below this here video where you can go get your book. But like I say, if you follow the steps in this here book, and you got questions, you contact your coach like I did, you know what I'm saying, you'll be well on your way to earning your first dollar online, first $1,000 online. And like I say, with this here, I want to take this here thing, like I said, this opened up my eyes in so many ways, you know what I'm saying, because, my real thing is I kind of, I don't want to be working in the logging woods the rest of my life. I mean, I like my job. I ain't got nothing against my job, but I don't want to be doing this forever, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be doing this forever. I'd rather be fishing somewhere. I'd rather be on a lake somewhere fishing, you know what I'm saying? And like I say, while I'm down here right now, there's things working in the background of my business that I'm learning in this here book that I'm actually making money while I'm on my regular job. So hopefully I want to try to scale that up so I'll be making enough money, where I won't have to come to this job, and then instead of coming to the job, I can be going fishing and making that money while I'm fishing. But hey guys, this is Sean Lowry the Logger. Like I said, if you want to get your hands on this here book, you just go down in the description below this video, and there's a link to get your free book. Like I say, or you can go to book2freedom.com and get your free book today to set you up for future success in your life. But hey, Sean Lowry the Logger. Hope y'all have a great day now. You hear?